Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem solution. 11 plus square root of 96 in whole square root. Now this 96 can be written as 16 times 6. So this we are going to apply here. So 11 plus square root of 16 times 6 in whole square root. Now this can be written as square root of AB equal to square root of A times square root of B. This formula we are going to apply here. So 11 plus square root of 16 times square root of 6 in whole square root. Now here 11 plus square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 6 in whole square root. Now we are going to multiply by 1 here. So 1 times 11 plus 4 square root of 6 in whole square root. Now here 1 can be written as 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 times 11 plus 4 square root of 6 in whole square root. Now this can be written as 2 times 11 plus 4 square root of 6 by 2 in whole square root. Now here 2 times 11 plus 4 square root of 6 whole divided by 2 in square root. Now we are multiplying this here. So 2 times 11 plus 2 times 4 square root of 6 whole divided by 2 in square root. Now this is 22 plus 2 times 4 square root of 6 by 2 in whole square root. Now this 22 can be written as 16 plus 6. So we are going to apply this here. So 16 plus 6 plus 2 times 4 times square root of 6 whole divided by 2 in whole square root. Now this 16 can be written as 4 square plus 6 plus 2 times 4 times square root of 6 whole divided by 2 in whole square root. Now here we are going to apply this formula A equal to square root of A square. This we are going to apply here. So 4 square plus 6 square root of whole square plus 2 times 4 square root of 6 whole divided by square root of 2 square in whole square root. Now here looking this, here we are going to apply here A square plus B square plus 2 times AB equal to A plus B whole square formula. This formula we are going to apply here. So here 4 square plus square root of 6 square plus 2 times 4 times square root of 6 whole divided by square root of 2 square in whole square root. According to this algebra formula, this can be written as 4 plus square root of 6 whole square by square root of 2 square in whole square root. So we are going to apply here other formula that A power x by B power x equal to A by B whole power x. This we are going to apply here. So 4 plus square root of 6 by square root of 2 whole square in square root. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have 4 plus square root of 6 by square root of 2. Now we are going to multiply with square root of 2 and divide by the same. Now we are going to multiply this here. So 4 times square root of 6 times square root of 2 by square root of 2 times square root of 2. Here 4 square root of 2 plus square root of 6 times square root of 2 by square root of 2 square. Now we are going to apply this square root of a times square root of b equal to square root of ab. This we are going to apply here. So 4 square root of 2 plus square root of 6 times 2 by this cancels this. So here 2. Four times square root of 2 plus square root of 12 by 2. Now 4 square root of 2 plus here this can be written as 4 times 3 in square root by 2. So 4 square root of 2 plus now we are 4 times square root of 3 by 2. Now here 4 times square root of 2 plus square root of 4 is 2 square root of 3 by 2. Now we are going to take 2 common from this. So 2 open bracket 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3 by 2. Now this 2 cancels this. We have 2 square root of 2 plus square root of 3. This is the final answer for given problem. Thanks for watching this video.